Welcome to Hello Experts, where we explore fascinating manufacturing processes and uncover the hidden stories from around the world. Today, we are taking a closer look at how train wheels are made from start to finish. Before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Train wheels are a critical component of the railway system and they must be made to exact standards to ensure safety and reliability. The process of making a train wheel involves several steps, from melting the metal to compressing into the final shape. The journey begins with selecting the perfect material for the train wheels. The most common choice: high quality steel. Steel used for the train wheels today is typically AISI 1060 or 1070. Steel offers the ideal combination of strength, durability, and heat resistance, making it the backbone of the train wheel production. The first step in making a train wheel is to melt the steel. The metal used for train wheels is typically a high standard steel alloy that can withstand the heavy loads and stresses of train travel, which is stronger than the cast iron used in earlier eras. The steel is melted in an electric furnace and then poured into the mold to create a wheel blank. The next step is to forge the wheel blank into the final shape. This is done using a forging press, which applies pressure to the metal to shape it into the desired form. The forging process helps to align the grain structure of the metal, which makes it stronger and more resistant to the fatigue. To further enhance the wheel's properties, it goes through a critical step: the heat treatment. Through processes like quenching and tempering, the steel's hardness and durability are optimized for the rigorous demands of rail travel. After forging, the wheel blank is sent to a rolling mill where it is further compressed and shaped. The rolling process helps to refine the grain structure of the metal and improve its strength and durability. The precision machine ensures our train wheels meet exact specifications. Achieving balance and uniformity is a paramount. After machining, the wheel may receive a protective coating for added longevity. Finally, the wheel is finished using a variety of processes, including machining, heat treatment, and surface finishing. These processes help to ensure that the wheel meets the required specifications for size, shape, and surface finish. Quality control is non-negotiable in train wheel production. Rigorous tests and inspections, including dimensional checks and non-destructive testing, are carried out. Any defects are identified and rectified during this phase, ensuring the highest safety standards. Finally, the train wheels are assembled into the wheel set along with bearings and axle components. Precise alignment and balance are maintained, ensuring smooth and efficient rail operation. Train wheels are designed to last for many years, and they must be able to withstand the heavy loads and stressing of train travel. The process of making a train wheel is a complex and precise one, and it requires a high degree of skill and precision. From melting the metal to compressing it into the final shape, every step of the process is critical for ensuring the safety and reliability of the railway system. If you found this journey through train production as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for joining us today on Hello Experts, and until next time, happy railroading.